Simple present tense is the basic and fundamental part of English language. This tense is used to express things in general and something which happens all the time. Here in this video we will discuss simple present tense, how to form it and how to use it in various contexts. There is a table before you and you will be surprised to know that you can form more than 140 sentences with the help of this table. We will discuss about it later. To form simple present tense, we use basic form of the verb with I, we, you, they and any plural noun. And with third person singular noun, we add s or es with the base form of the verb. If we talk about negative sentences, we use helping verb do not and does not. Does not is used with third person singular subjects, and do not is used with plural nouns. But remember one thing, only base form of the verb is used in negative sentences. We don't add s or es with the first form of the verb. And in interrogative sentence, helping verb do and does comes before the subject, and after the subject we use verb, then object, and then sign of interrogation. Let's take one sentence. For example, we are using the verb speak. He speaks. He does not speak English. Does he speak English? I speak English. We speak English. I do not speak English. Do I speak English? There are some other uses of this tense. We use simple present tense to express general truths. For example, the nurses look after the patients in the hospital. That's a general thing. If we talk about scientific truth or universal truths, for example, the earth moves round the sun. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. If we talk about habitual, it is used to express in habitual activity. I get up early in the morning. I always speak truth. To quote someone, Keats says, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. And in if clause, when simple future tense is in future tense, we use simple present tense in if clause. For example, if you work hard, you will pass. And in exclamatory sentences, when the sentence begins with here and there, we use this tense. Here comes the bus, there goes the bell. To express which is actually something happening at the present. So now we will talk about this table. How can we make 140 sentences with the help of this table? Let's first talk about this is third person singular subject. These are the verbs and these are the objects. So first, he reads a book. Here we use reads because with third person singular we add s or es with the verb. She reads a book. Ram reads a book. but these are the plural subjects. We don't use add s or es with the verb. I read a book, we read a book, you read a book, they read a book. Similarly, we can make the sentence he plays cricket, she plays cricket, Ram plays cricket, I play cricket, we play cricket, you play cricket, they play cricket, and similarly you can form all the sentences. If we talk about negative sentences, then he does not read a book, she does not read a book, Ram does not read a book, I do not read a book, we do not read a book, you do not read a book, and so on. And while making interrogative sentence, we just put does, do or does before the subject. Does he read a book? Does she read a book? Does Ram read a book? And we put do before plural subject. Do I read a book? Do we read a book? Do you play cricket, etc. So you can, if you make all the sentences with the help of this table, you can master present indefinite tense. So that's enough for enough for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn English with Ram. Thanks for watching.